Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Chennai speaking. Have you celebrated your 40th birthday? Then this post is for you. Yes, today let's see about presbyopia. What is presbyopia? It is a loss of near focusing ability. It's a normal part of aging. The term presbyopia comes from a Greek word which means old eye. You may start to notice presbyopia shortly after the age of 40. You may have to hold your smartphone and reading material little farther from your eyes to see them more clearly. This is only a temporary solution. If you can still see close objects pretty well, presbyopia can cause headaches, eye strain and visual fatigue that makes reading and other near vision tasks less comfortable and more tiring. You can't escape presbyopia even if you have never had a vision problem before. Though presbyopia is a normal change in our eyes as we age, it's often a significant and emotional event because it's a sign of aging that's impossible to ignore and difficult to hide. What causes presbyopia in all of us? All our eyes have a clear lens inside which changes its shape to focus light onto the retina so that we can all clearly see. When you are young, the lens is very soft and flexible, easily changing its shape. This lets you focus on objects both close up and far away with ease. After the age of 40, the lens becomes more rigid and less elastic. It cannot change its shape as easily as before. This makes it harder to read, thread a needle, or to do other close-up jobs. There's no way to stop or reverse this. However, presbyopia can be corrected with eyeglasses, contact lenses, or surgery. Contact lenses and surgeries are very uncommon options. Most preferred are the spectacles. So let's see about the eyeglasses for presbyopia correction. You have three choices of it. First one is reading glass. If you have no other vision problem, you can use this type. But the problem is you have to remove it whenever you are not reading. Suppose if I am using a glass for my smartphone work, somebody comes the distance. So I will not be able to see without removing it. So it's annoying to remove each time when I look at a distant object. So this is very cumbersome. Second option is bifocal glasses. You have two lens powers in the same glass. Upper half is for distant vision and the lower half for reading. The junction between the two will have a visible line. This is where the objects abruptly change in clarity and position when your eyes move across these lines. It will not cover the intermediate distance as for computer use. Third and most common one is progressive lenses. Progressive lenses are the most popular solution for presbyopia. They have 3 prescriptions in one pair of glasses. This allows you to do close-up work like using your smartphone, middle distance work like browsing a computer, or distance viewing like driving without needing to change your glasses. These no-line multifocal lenses look exactly the same as single vision lenses without those annoying and age-defining bifocal lines. The power of progressive lenses changes gradually from point to point on the lens surface, providing the correct lens power for seeing the objects clearly at any distance. What are the benefits of these lenses? It provides clear vision at all distances. I will tell you some example. If you are driving, you can look at the dashboard, at the road, or at a sign in the distance with a smooth transition. If you are a teacher, then you can use a blackboard or a smart board, read the book, see the students in the classroom, correct the assignments all in one go. It eliminates the image jump caused by bifocals. Because there are no visible lines, this will give you more youthful appearance than bifocals. Let's see about the types of progressive lenses. You have standard progressive lenses that are manufactured for standardized parameters like distance between your eyes and how the glasses sit in your face. Premium progressive lenses are there. These can be customized individually for you. This can result in bigger, sharper areas and a more relaxed vision. There are few disadvantages of progressive lenses too. Number 1, as these lenses have 3 viewing areas, it can take time to get used to wearing these progressive lenses. 2 to 4 weeks sometimes. Your vision might even feel a little distorted in the beginning. You may feel dizzy or even have nausea from looking through this wrong section of the lens. There may be some distortion in your peripheral vision also. There's no need to worry, because once you get used to your progressive lenses, you will find yourself reaching for them every time. And number 2, small frames are not suitable. If your frames are too small, they may not accommodate the bottom viewing area, which can impact how well you see things that are close to you. Number 3, and the most important one, is the cost. Progressive lenses are amazing in the sense that they have 3 prescriptions in one pair of glasses without the need to change them. And those annoyingly visible lines as in bifocals are not there. However, this comes with an extra cost. But standard progressives are still affordable for most families. If you would prefer something custom with better clarity and aren't worried about the price, premium progressive lenses are the way to go. Tips for adjusting to progressive lenses: choose a good quality frame and make sure the lenses are perfectly centered over your eyes. Poorly fitted progressives are a common reason why people can't adapt to them. Give yourself 2 to 4 weeks to adjust. Make sure you understand your optician's instructions on how to use them. Wear your new lenses as often as possible and stop wearing your old glasses. It will make the adjustment quicker. A professional optician can help you select the best progressive lens brand and design for your unique visual needs. He can also give you helpful tips on how to quickly become accustomed to wearing your new glasses and how to take care of them. There is a short video about how to take care of your glasses. I shall post the link below. Also, for the best clarity, comfort and protection in all lighting, ask your optician about adding anti-reflective coating and photochromatic lenses to your new progressive glasses. Ready to start seeing better? It starts with a visit to your ophthalmologist and optician. Hope this information on presbyopia and progressive glasses is useful. If you have any queries, please post them in the comment box. I would be happy to answer them. For more educative videos like this, kindly subscribe to Kalpana Eye Care YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.